everyone, welcome to our channel RMJ Tales with Remya.
And Jitu.
In today's video, we are going to show you Leicester Square.
From where we stay, we need to take a train to Leicester Square. So here we are at the train station. In London, everyone can pay as they go using a smart card called Oyster Card to travel on the public transport services. This is Tottenham Court Road Station. There is a new immersive experience installation right outside the station. This was installed to help anxious commuters relax, unwind, and meditate. This experience is free, and it was created in response to the spike in anxiety, specifically related to returning to work after COVID. This installation is called Room to Breathe, designed by Pixel Art Works. The high-resolution wraparound LED screens display visuals with original music. The soothing sensory experience is based on the science of box breathing. It was developed in conjunction with leading UK trauma and anxiety consultant Jane Cox. We are going to take a walk now from Tottenham Court Road Station to Leicester Square. It is a 15-minute walk. You can also choose to get down at Leicester Square Station.
So on the way to Leicester Square, we spotted this theatre where they are having a stage show for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. So we have spotted this theatre on the way. It is running Agatha Christie's famous story Mousetrap. So this is the longest ever running play in the world. It started playing around in 1950s and was playing till 2020 and had to be temporarily discontinued because of COVID. But they've started the play all over again since last year. So here we are.
We have reached Leicester Square, and just outside Leicester Square Station, we spotted a limousine. We also came across this theatre hosting plays on Life of Pi, the famous novel. You would have also watched the famous English 2012 3D movie starring our Indian actors Irfan Khan and Tabu, based on the same novel. You will find a lot of casinos in Leicester Square. The Hippodrome Casino is the biggest and busiest casino in London. We have now come to the heart of Leicester Square. This is a public square with a lot of daytime shopping options and dining plus evening theatres. This square has major cinemas such as Odeon and Empire, which are often used for movie premieres, and also the View Theatre. There is a movie-themed sculpture trail here featuring 8 statues from the last 100 years of cinema. It is called Scenes in the Square. These statues of Mary Poppins and Harry Potter are part of that sculpture trail. The Lego store at Leicester Square is officially the largest Lego store in the world. At the entrance, you have the James Bond Aston Martin car with the James Bond himself. This is the Tree of Discovery. You can view the magical wonderland hidden inside the giant tree through windows in its rainbow trunk. The best view of this tree is from the first floor, which we'll show you shortly. There are child-size models of the Queen's Guard and a British policeman with which Maria decided to take pictures. There is also a 6-meter replica of Big Ben. In this Lego store, there are 2 floors of Lego bricks and models. Now we have come to the first floor. You can also see a model of the dragon from Harry Potter. All Harry Potter fans are going to love the store as there are a lot of Harry Potter characters and installations. From the first floor, you can also get a closer view of Big Ben, which we saw on the ground floor. You can see a Lego model of Spiderman with Tower Bridge in the background. This is in memory of the 2019 movie Far From Home, which was taken in London. And here is the view of the Tree of Discovery from the first floor. You can also see a double-decker bus here, completely made of Lego. Here we have the characters from Harry Potter: Harry, Hagrid, Ron and Hermione. Again from Harry Potter, here we have Voldemort, his snake and Bellatrix. They also have a section here where they display the history of Lego, 90 years of Lego. And here we have one of the store assistants saying hi to all our viewers. A lot of history up there. So proud to see our Taj Mahal up there. We are now going to take you through all the Lego varieties. There are a lot of models that are set up for display. This is one of them. And there's a lot of detailing that goes into all of these models. You can get a close-up view of the models through this magnifying glass to see the level of detail. You can also see other models like the Eiffel Tower, and there is even an auto rickshaw. This is a model of a lighthouse. We can also see a model of the spaceship, the NASA Apollo spaceship that landed on the moon. There we have the model of a hotel and another one from NASA, the Discovery Space Shuttle. There is one on the world map as well. This is a section of Lego Duplo bricks. These are suitable for younger children, 1.5 to 5 years, and less likely to be swallowed. They are chunky and twice the size of traditional Lego bricks, making them easier to hold and play with. Despite their size, they are still compatible with traditional Lego bricks. The Lego City is a collection that lets you build all the elements that make up a small city. There are even sets on Super Mario for all the Super Mario fans. The Lego Creator is another variety of Lego for building bigger models like animals. Lego Classic is another variety which lets you build smaller models. Then we have Lego Dots. Lego Friends is another collection that includes minifigures. This is a model of the house from the movie Home Alone. You can also see the price displayed there. Maria was so amazed at the level of detailing that went into this house model. Lego Technic and Lego Speed are Lego collections for bigger children from 11 years. They have vehicle models of Formula One, Ford, Porsche, BMW, and others. The Lego Botanical collection includes sets for making flowers like daffodils, tulips, and other varieties. For all the Harry Potter fans out there, Lego has this Harry Potter series as well. They also have this Ninjago series. Ninjago is a computer animated television series produced by Lego themselves. It was created to coincide with the Lego Ninjago line of construction toys. For all fans of Marvel superheroes, Lego also has a series on them. You can see Batman, Spiderman, and others. There are Lego series and models suitable for even 18 plus. You can clearly see that Lego is not just for kids, it's for the older children, as well as even there are adults who are crazy about Lego. This is the Lego Duplo train station. Lego Duplo was introduced around 1960s. We've just come here to try few of the blocks. This is the trying station for the Lego regular blocks. There are various trying stations throughout the shop. They give you a feeling and experience of how the blocks look like, and you can try them and experience them. This is the trying station for Lego dots. You can create name templates using them. This is the Lego trying station for minifigures. Your minifigure can have 5 elements: the hair, the head accessory, the head, the body, and the legs. This is the Lego Personalisation Studio. Here you can pick your own choice of Lego bricks from a wide variety of collection. First, you need to pick a cup size, large or small. Then you need to choose your bricks and then pay at the counter. We really liked this option, so we decided to pick a cup size and pick few of our favorite Lego blocks. This is the minifigure factory where you can get customized minifigures made. So after having a good tour of the Lego shop, we are now at the billing counter. So here comes a happy customer. We have come out now and this is how the street looks like at night. If you're looking for options on spending a day out from London, Leicester Square is a good option.
So hope you all liked our video. As always, please like, share, subscribe and comment. See you again in another adventure. Bye.